Hello, you're with Deborah K. Levi. Get with the program in a place called Connecticut. This is the Geology of Connecticut by Lisa Alter from the Yale New Haven Teachers Institute. Okay, so let's look at this. Okay, I'm going to read this to everyone. Very interesting. With plates colliding and breaking apart, numerous faults and earthquakes are inevitable. One of the most famous faults in Connecticut is the Eastern Border Fault, which begins south of New Haven. The exact origin is underwater and extends for 130 miles north to Keene, New Hampshire. Though inactive for 140 years, it helped to create the Connecticut Valley. Prior to the sporadic earthquakes along this fault, lowered the valley and raised the eastern hills. The Eastern Border Fault is further evidenced in the tilt of the valley outcrops, easily seen in the numerous road cuts. The tilt of the rock strata dips towards the east at 1525 degrees. This tilting has directly affected our mineral industry. Wherever erosion has caused the tipped basalt layer to jut out of the ground, a trap rock ridge has formed. Wherever you are in Connecticut, an old inactive fault is no more than 5 miles away from you. Earthquakes can also strike in these areas far away from the plate boundaries, and though the potential is there, Connecticut is at low risk for earthquakes to occur until tectonic movements again interfere. From 1568 to 1568 to 1989, 1214, so it's 1,214 earthquakes were recorded within New England. As far back as 1558, the native Indians reported of quakes hitting Connecticut. In 1638, an earthquake frightened the Pilgrims. In 1727, an earthquake was felt from Maine to Delaware. The most famous area in Connecticut when it comes to earthquakes is Moodus. This is the only active region in our state today? I don't think so. The Indians heard noises caused by swarms of quakes and created much folklore around them. Beginning in 1980, swarms of few hundred earthquakes have occurred here, but these were mostly detected only by seismic instruments. If an earthquake does hit Connecticut, the results would be somewhat different than that of a California quake. Our bedrock is harder and transmits seismic waves over an area from 4 to 40 times greater than that of California. Also, more people will be at risk here due to the lack of protective building codes. And that's this wonderful Geology of Connecticut by Lisa Alter. Okay.